He had so many albums, about 20 different albums, different Yiddish, Hebrew, and cantorial, and he loved to sing. He loved, and I'm forever. I said to myself when he died that whatever I do, I have to keep his life, his songs alive. There was a man who was the Coen brothers' agent, or he got in touch with me, and he said that they want to do that one song, the Milner's Sharon. And that's how it all started. It seemed that they came, the Coen brothers, came from a background in where they had Sidor's records, and that's how they knew. And of all the songs, they picked up the Milner's Sharon, which is a wonderful song, and they it really made it nice. And they put it here's the thank you so much for your father's music. It meant so much to us, the Coens.